What's up guys, Express Design here, and I'm here with a long awaited video. The 5 brush packs that you need. The 5 brush packs that every designer needs. And I'll start with the first brush pack that I have. There's some dry brushes. Some spoon graphics, dry brush set. Always handy. Let me show you how I use them most of the time. Like I pick a black color, put them in the middle, and then type my name on it. Express. There you go, and you have already quite something nice. Just make it a bit better, but you know what I mean. Then you have the same kind of brushes, but a bit thicker, a bit thicker, and then a bit longer, a bit girthier, Or you can just put them in the side, something like that, and then turn them a bit, make them a bit bigger. All the brushes are linked in the description, so you can download them for free. Some clouds. Clouds are always nice in brush packs. I have 2 separate clouds brush packs in my Photoshop. I searched the best one for you guys, so I have this one. There you go. I think that's a nice cloud, in my opinion. Clouds mostly are just for the background, for in the sky, and you can manipulate skies with this and just add more clouds to it. There you go. I think that's a nice cloud. Up to the next one are I think lightning bolts. Quite nice. Lightning bolts, just simple lightning bolts. Up to the next ones is stars. I think I made a tutorial in one of my tutorials. I explained how I make my stars, and I was like, why should you make it when you already have a brush pack with stars in it? So you just click on it and you have a little star. You zoom in, you see this little star effect. You have a lot of stars, opacity, jitter, and yeah, I think this one you can just put them in the background. You see star, and look like that. You can do it like that. I don't know why you should do that, but maybe you can do it on a text. Then we have some, I think, splatters. Yeah, some nice splatters I can use in the corner or something like that on text. It gives a real nice effect. You see that? Really nice effect. Okay, for the people who have watched the end of this video, I have a massive brush pack. There's a lot in that, but it's not mine. I found it. I think I used it in a previous tutorial, like way back, like a year ago, and just people overlooked that. But this time I make a video about brushes, and this brush pack is massive. Any brush you want, this brush pack has it. Let me show you. It's the Ferox brushes, and this is absolute massive brush pack. Everything you want or need will be in this brush pack. Look how big this is. Just look how big it is. You have splatters, grips, even trees. It's massive. Look at that. Make this a bit smaller. Just boom. Like, what is that even? It's in the brush pack. It's absolutely massive. Any designer who wants to use brushes, really, or beginner designer, really check this out. I put the link in the description. I put this on the 6th one because this is absolutely massive. And if you think, oh, my PC can't handle such a big, because it's a big one. It's a really big one. You go just use the small ones. Like, look, there's some nice paint splashes as well. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. It's massive. The pack is massive. And how to install is very easy. I'll show you guys as well. When you download it in a zip file, and I put it in the WinRAR, just extract. Let me just delete them and show you. You just right click and extract the file. Just do all, and then you have a little ABR file. Just double click it and it instantly installs in Photoshop. You don't have to do anything about that, just instantly installs it, and you have the brush pack. Don't double click it or you have 2 of the same brushes, but you can delete the brush files. Let me show you how you do that. This file is massive. So just right click on the file and delete group, and the brushes are gone. You can change the brush name, you can change everything. You can even select a couple of brushes that you don't like in the brush pack, like this. A whole shift and select everything. And you have all of them, and then right click and delete brushes. If you don't like them, just throw them away. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, do more if you want, and as always, see you guys in the next one.